Hello everyone, happy to see you here and welcome back to Math Mode. Really interesting math problem. Today we need to solve this equation. We have x to the 6 minus x cubed equal to 4 and we need to find our x from this equation. On the first side, this equation is real hard because we have 6 power right here, but if we look closely to this, we can write this x to the 6 as x cubed. We can square it. We can raise it to the second power minus x cubed equal to 4. So this is the first and very important step right now. And right now we can closely see that x cubed and x cubed we have a common, so as a result we can write a substitution. So let this x cubed will be equal to, for example, t. And from here, if we raise to the power 1/3, we will have that our x equal to cubes root of t. So this is our substitution. We can do this substitution. What are we going to do next? Let's plug in t instead of this x cubed. What equation we will have? We will have t squared minus t, and I bring these 4 on the left, to the left from right, minus 4 equal to 0. This is a classic quadratic equation. Everyone know how can we solve this quadratic equation. So from here, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, and c equal to minus 4. So as a result, we can write two roots right here. This is a quadratic equation, so as a result, we can find two roots real quick. So we will have minus b, we will have 1 plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac, so 1 plus 4 plus times 1 times 4, and over to a, which is equal to 2. So as a result, 1 plus minus, right here we will have 16 plus 1, 17, square root of 17, and over 2. So right here we have two roots, but one really interesting moment. As always, we need to reject one negative root, but in what case? As a result, right here we have cube right here. So we prefer every negative and positive. We don't need to reject negative. If we have right here a square, we need to reject negative roots. But right here we have negative and positive one with the plus and with the minus sign. So as a result, we will have t first equal to 1 plus square root of 17 over 2, and we have t second equal to 1 minus square root of 17 over 2. So we have two roots, and as I mentioned before, right here we don't reject any of these roots because this is cube root. Cube can be negative, so x cubed looks like that, so it can be negative. So as a result, we will have two roots, and let's go to our substitution. So x equal to cubes root from this. So x first equal to cubes root of this 1 plus square root of 17 over 2, and as a result, the second root we will have x second equal to cubes root of 1 minus square root of 17 over 2. So two roots right here. And also, of course, we can simplify this a little bit, write it as 1/2 plus square root of 17 over 2, so in different way, but I wanted to leave this like that. This is our answer. But everyone know that if we have right here 6 power, so we will have no more than 6 root. So it looks like right here we have 2 real and 4 complex roots. But this video is about real roots, so I hope you enjoyed it. If it's not hard to you, please leave a like, write any comment. It's really important, it's really support my channel. Thank you and have a great day.